I'm getting ready to clean out this pen for these Cornish cross chicks, and I wanted to weigh a couple of them as we're moving them out of here into the tractor for a minute. So your pounds are going to be on this side, where after these two dots, so on this left side, and then on the right side is ounces. Perfect. So this guy is just over 2 pounds. So this guy is just over 2 pounds as well.
I love our meat chicken. They're so tasty. They look good.
So this one's almost 2 pounds, just under. So the average weight of these Cornish cross chicks was about 2 pounds. The little one that is not a Cornish cross, I wanted to show you his legs, his feet. Like, look at his feet. He's got like 2 toes on both. I don't know if that is normal or not for the breed that he is. I have no clue what kind of chicken he is. But let's weigh him in comparison to the Cornish cross. You're not even half a pound. Almost. Just about. You're so cute. Just put this feeder in here because last night was the first night that they had without food constantly. We're gonna start them on their schedule, and the schedule will be 12 hours with the feeder and foods, and then at nighttime for 12 hours they will not have any food put in here. We're just trying to slow down their growth a little bit so that they're not getting too big too quickly, because these guys tend to have heart and lung problems as well as leg problems. These guys have gotten really big. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are huge. My guess is that one of the heavier birds in here weighs about 2.5 pounds. Whereas maybe one of the smaller birds, not counting this little guy, is weighing about a pound and a half. So we've got a large range. I can tell some of these are roosters already. I mean, it doesn't matter either way. We're going to be processing these guys either way, but they do say that the roosters tend to weigh a little bit more than the hens. So we don't want them growing way too fast. Here's our little guy he's a lot smaller than the others, but he takes on these other chickens like he's bigger. Like he's big. Super early morning. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm trying to see what the temperatures are at the coldest part of the night. And so I have a thermometer in here. And I just want to see what the coldest part is. We're not quite there. So it says it's 39 degrees underneath there. This is saying that it's been as cold as 37 degrees. I don't know how accurate I think that is. So I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I was going to plant out my peppers, and that's why I'm running this. That's why I'm doing this. I want to see how warm frosted cloth is keeping underneath. It looks like I might not be planting my peppers, at least for a little while. So this experiment continues. I was not convinced about planting my peppers today, based off of the temperatures that gave me. That was kind of a scary thing, to think that I possibly would plant my peppers and weather like that. So this is what we did. So this jug of water is full of warm or hot water, And then we have my temperature gauge right next to my plant to see if that's gonna make a difference or not. I have no idea. Let's try it. We're gonna see. Because if I could just fill up a bunch of gallons of water and put them in between the plants and then putting down the frost cloth, and that makes a difference, I am willing to do that. So we'll see how this goes. Hey you guys, so I've done a few days of experimenting with the temperatures. I just don't see that the temperatures are going to be getting any warmer during the night times than what they have been, at least not anytime soon. And if I wait any longer to plant these peppers, I fear that I won't get any harvest. So we're gonna go ahead and plant them anyway, because if I don't plant them now, they probably won't have time enough to get established enough, big enough, and then flower and then fruit before my season ends. The other downer is that there's a possibility I risk stunting them because of the cooler weather, but that's like not a guarantee. Our nights are staying mid to low 40s, which is feeling really frustrating. But I'm hoping with the frost cloth that it'll be enough. All right, so there's some thunder rumbling. I'm going to hurry and put a cover on these for the night to hopefully protect them from any storms and cool weather. Oh, I just am feeling raindrops. I better hurry. All right, well, we put those peppers to bed for the night. I kept looking at the weather on my app, and it doesn't look like, it says it's not supposed to rain. I don't know that I believe that with all the rumbling I've been hearing.